What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to change the aspect ratio of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now to do this you just have to go to the settings, so click on the settings icon over here. Now go to picture, go to aspect ratio at the bottom here and click on it. Now it gives you options to choose whatever aspect ratio you want, so you can choose the 4:3 or the 16:9, or you can leave it at auto, which enables the TV to be able to resize the screen of your TV based on whatever that is being displayed on the screen. By default it should be left at auto, and auto is actually a better option, except there is a problem, or certain movie streaming applications are not just functioning well with the TV. So that is simply the easy way to change the aspect ratio of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.